G'day everyone. Just thought I'll do a tutorial on Corel Paint Shop Pro 2018. I've been trialling this program for 4 weeks now, and I'm more of a cyberlink photo director, producing and watermarking my photos. So like I said, just trialling this Paint Shop Pro 2018. There's not much information out there, and so this tutorial is how to watermark photos or how to enhance photos at the same time. So what I've got here, I've got a heap of photos that I took over back in, while I was visiting Greece back in 2010 and 2014, and just want to add a watermark on the bottom right hand corner, just an extra bit of protection. Not that they can still be removed, but it's more of a show. More of a show. You can actually, and how to enhance photos. I've got about 70 odd photos. I've got them up all here listed. Some of them are. These are some of the photos. Right, just pick a photo and you can enhance what's called a smart photo fix, and that's the original, and that's the smart photo fix that it tries to fix itself. Well, these settings are still overridden. You can actually focus it up and down. See, it's changing on this, a bit more focus. You can actually zoom it in a little bit more. I'll just show you. Compared to that's original, that's what's done. I'll just go back to, I'll give it a bit more focus, 87, that's alright. Right, anyways, that's done. I'll undo that because I'll batch photo. Whoops, that's rotate. Undo that one. Actually, I've got a heap of photos somewhere. Up in here. There. That. That's a memorial statue. When the Turks invaded Greece, just the wife of the 2 kids dragging her husband. This goes back in 17 something, just a bronze memorial. I've got a couple of photos that need fixing before that's. You've probably seen these photos online somewhere. So these are some of the beaches in Petra. That's where my family comes from. About 2 hours drive out of Athens. Oh, that's my grandmother's village. Soldiers' War Memorial, beach. That's one of the photos I'll rotate. Another one somewhere. Should have fixed it beforehand. Monasteries on the rocks. Ducks pedaling away. Inside the monasteries. My grandmother's village again. Up in the mountains. Heading up to Meteorata, I think it's called. Where the hanging monasteries are. My goodness. That's my grandmother's village. Actually, come on. Monasteries. Anyway, I've saved some of these photos I want to use. That's Petra, the new bridge. Not new bridge, but to link to Petra, Meteora Monastery, my grandmother's village. That's our block of land down there actually. That's my grandmother's village. Actually, that's a village there. I actually climbed up to the top. There's a fortress. This is where I'll go all the time, and it's actually you can actually climb inside the mountain. And it took a cat I think 5 days to find her way at the other end. And to drive right around there, you probably look. It's about a 40-minute drive. Oh, it's watermark. Grandmother's village. Again. Anyway, I'll get back to it. Get rid of this notification down here. Alright, to mass produce photos and fix them, we will go to file batch process. Now we'll add all the photos we'd like, which actually I've got them YouTube, photos, Greece. These are all photos I'd like to. Goodness, having split screens and useless at times. Actually, I don't want that bottom one. Just do these. I should have rotated. I think there's one more. Anyway, there's one there. Okay, we'll just show you how to batch process these. Add the photos again. I'll get all these photos. And that one, this one. Select all those. It'll import it. And we'll go next. Now I want to add a watermark. Edit my watermark, which is, you can actually pick your own watermark, but I've got my own there that I've made previously. You can see it. Size it. Just have it 10 or so. Actually tile it. That's 100% protection. That's excuse the expression. Condom. I should say that. Anyway, tile it or bottom corner, which I'll do bottom corner. And that's emboss is to make it, like a mountain or something. Anyway, so I'll do this and picture frame. Oh, not picture frame. Smart photo fixed. Get rid of those two. Alright, so we'll go next. And I want to save these on my desktop. Actually, I'll just go ahead and save them with what I was saved previously. So I'll start the process. Ready to go, alright? Yes, I do. Okay. That's not what I wanted. Anyway. Right, they're all done. So they were done previously, but I recorded with no audio for some reason. The audio never recorded, so this is the second time going, and that's how you watermark photos. So I'll bring one of those photos in. Open. Actually, this PC pictures. There. And there you go. That's what it looks like. I'll just get out of this. I'll show you all photo locations, pictures. Actually, here they are. I actually should have named them better, actually. Anyway, that's what the photos are. I've actually used my wife's watermark, which was created earlier, and I'll do some more watermarks. So these are the photos, 76 of them. So anyway, all right. So this was one of many tutorials to come. Like I said, I'll be doing the Corel version of one. I'll do the Cyberlink, and at the moment, at the time being, I'll upload a couple up to our my wife's channel, Filipinos in Australia. And yeah, so and eventually my own channel is up and running, or it's being populated at the moment. When it's up and running, all the tutorials on this and others will be on that. So, any comments or any suggestions, leave in the box below. And yeah, like, subscribe, and yeah, take care and have a good day. Thank you. Hope you liked it. Bye.